Hello, good morning dear students, welcome back. So last time we have seen exercise 4.1, but here I would like to mention specifically that the instructions whichever they are given, they are to be followed strictly. If you don't follow, you are liable to lose the marks, because last time the question was, give first the step you will use to separate the variable. That means you are supposed to mention the first step, then two. Some of the students, they have not written the step, and if you don't follow instructions, then you are going to lose the marks. So whatever I tell you here, you are supposed to follow it. Okay, now let us go to question number 2. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Again here you are supposed to give the step. That means what mathematical operation you are going to do, that you are supposed to write it, mention it, and then you are supposed to solve it. Okay, so I am going to solve question 2a. Question 2a. 3L is equal to 42. Now, here, what is the sign between 3 and L? Multiplication. So, opposite of multiplication is division. So, I want to find L. That means I don't want this 3. So, how I can remove this 3? Yes, definitely. You can remove it by dividing. So, divide both sides. So, that is my step. So, divide both sides by 3. Okay. So, 3L upon 3, that is equal to 42 upon 3. So, 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3, 14s are, right? So, therefore, L is equal to 14. Therefore, L is equal to 14 is the solution of equation. You can verify it. How to do verification? Put the value of L here. Now, when I am verifying, it should not be like this. 3 and 1 4. It will become 314. Last time I have said, what you have to do? 3 into 14. Now 14 3s are, I know the tables. 14 3s are 42. So that means our answer is exactly correct. Okay. Then I am going to solve C. P upon 7, that is equal to 4. P upon 7, that is equal to 4. Now here it is in division. Opposite of division, so exactly opposite operation you have to do. Opposite of division is multiplication. Yes. So multiply both sides by 7. So P upon 7 into 7. Am I right? And that is equal to 4 into 7. So we have multiplied both the sides so that the balance remains. Okay. And so 7 ones are 7. 7 gets cancelled. You can see. My aim is find the value of P. Okay. So therefore P is equal to 4 7s are, oh yes, 28. Right. So therefore P is equal to 28 is the solution of equation. Okay. You can check it. 28 divided by 7. Answer is 4. So that is the verification. Okay. Then, so let me rub this first. Now next I can go for E. 8y is equal to 36. Now, here the sign is multiplication. So, opposite of multiplication, yes, division. So, divide both sides. Divide both sides by 8. Right? So, therefore, 8y upon 8, that is equal to 36 upon 8. Now, here 8 ones are 8, but 36 does not come in the table of 8. So, find out the number by which both of them they are divisible. Okay. So, you may come across such examples where complete division is not possible. So, reduce it to the lowest possible form. Okay. So, 4 2s are 8. Right? And 4 9s are 36. I know the tables. Right? So, y is equal to 9 upon 2. This is the lowest possible form. I believe you have studied the lowest possible form of a fraction of a number. Okay, so this is the solution. Therefore, y is equal to 9 upon 2 is the required solution of equation. Okay, now next I can solve is g. A upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 15. A upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 15. Okay, now here my aim is to remove 5 from here and to find the value of a. So how to find? Multiply both sides by 5. Why? Because here 5 is in division, opposite of division, multiplication. So, multiply both sides by 5. Okay, so you will have a upon 5 into 5, that is equal to 7 upon 15 into 5. So 5 ones are 5. So यहाँ से 5 गायब हो गया. अभी यहाँ पे देखना है. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now can you reduce them further? Not at all. So that is what the expected answer. So a is equal to 7 upon 3. Therefore a is equal to 7 upon 3 is the solution of equation. Okay. Now, so this is question number 2. Now I can go for question 3rd. Okay. So first let me rub this. I hope you will take down all this in your notebook. So question 3rd, again, give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So first one I am solving. (3n minus 2) that is equal to 46. Till now, what are the equations we have solved? Question 1 and question 2. Now this is question 3rd. There was either plus addition or subtraction, or there was multiplication or division. All the operations were not together. Now here if you see, I have got two different operations at a time. Here it is minus and here it is multiplication. Now in such cases, first what is to be done? If a number is in addition or subtraction with the variable, here 2 is in subtraction, 2 is subtracted from this. So this 2 has to be removed first. So addition and subtracted, added and subtracted numbers, they should be removed first. And then go for the multiplication and division, whatever it is. So in my language I call it like this. Addition and subtracted numbers, they are दूरचे नातेवाईक. Okay, far away relatives. They are not so closer relatives to us. So first remove them. उनको जाने को बोलो, चलो आप जाओ, आप नहीं चाहिए मुझे. और उसके बाद जो नजदीक के हैं उनको निकालो. Right? So then the closer relatives should be removed. Okay, so let us see first. So पहले तो ये मैं आपका दूर का रिश्तेदार भगा दूंगा. I will ask him to go. Hey, चलो भागो. So here it is -2. Opposite of subtraction. Yes, addition. So what you will do? Add 2 to both sides. Right? So 3n minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 46 plus 2. So पहले हमने क्या किया? जो दूर का रिश्तेदार था उसको भगा दिया. Right? So -2 plus 2 गया. So left is 3n, that is equal to 46 plus 2, 48. Right? Now अभी ये सबसे नजदीक वाला रिश्तेदार है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, नजदीक वाला रिश्तेदार. तो इसको अभी भगाना है. तो यहां पे क्या है? Multiplication. Here it is multiplication. So opposite of multiplication is, yes, exactly, division. So what you will do? Oh yes, divide both sides. Divide both sides by 3. Right? तो ये नजदीक वाला रिश्तेदार भी भाग जाएगा. 3 1 3 गया भाग. Right? So left is n. क्या रह गया बाकी? n सिर्फ आप. Right? Now, so 3 1 3, 3 1 3, remainder 1. 18. So how many are? 6 are. So what is the answer? 16. So 16 3s are 48. Right? So that is what the solution. Therefore, the solution of equation is, so solution of equation is n is equal to 16. Okay? Now, next. Next I can go for C. That is 20p upon 3, that is equal to 40. 20p upon 3, that is equal to 40. अभी देखिए, यहाँ पे तो दोनों ही नजदीक के रिश्तेदार ही है. दूर का कोई है ही नहीं. प्लस माइनस कोई है क्या? नहीं है. एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, एक डिवीजन है. So it depends on you which to be done first, which operation to be done first. So if I want to remove this 3 first, so I have to go for, yes, obviously, multiplication. Multiply both sides by 3. Yes. So multiply both sides by 3. Okay. So what I will have, therefore 20p upon 3 into 3, that is equal to 40 into 3. Right? So 3 1 3. Okay. So 20p, एक रिश्तेदार को भगा दिया दूसरे साइड पे. Don't multiply it. I'll tell you why. Because it is going to get cancelled. Okay. Now, अभी ये दूसरा रिश्तेदार है, इसको भगाना है, तो उसको क्या करना चाहिए? या साइन है मल्टीप्लिकेशन. मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ऑपोजिट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, यस, देयर यू आर, डिवीजन. सो डिवाइड बोथ साइड्स बाय 20. सो देयरफॉर 20p upon 20, that is equal to 40 into 3 upon 20. So 21 the 20 gets cancelled. I know the tables. 21 the 20, 22 the 40. And so I have not multiplied here. Okay. Now, so therefore P is equal to 3 2s or 2 3s 6. Therefore P is equal to 6 is the solution of equation. Do you understand? Okay. Now let us go for question number 4. So question 4, now here it is, solve the following equations. Okay, but till you get mastery over it now, write the steps. In 9th it's okay, in 10th it's okay. Even there also I don't allow students to skip these steps because in some cases, even if we are master, in some cases we make mistakes. So to avoid that, we should always write these steps. That's what I feel. Okay, but here for you it is compulsory. Now solve the following equations. So I am going for B. 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. So जैसे कि मैंने बताया था, क्या करना है, पहले दूर के रिश्तेदार को भगाओ. So ये 10 को भगाओ, वो दूसरी साइड जाना चाहिए. So यहाँ पे है एडिशन. अपोजिट ऑफ एडिशन इज yes, it is subtraction. So subtract 10 from both sides. Am I right? Yes. So 10p plus 10 minus 10, that is equal to 100 minus 10 plus 10 minus 10 cancelled. So therefore 10p is equal to 100 minus 10, 90. अभी एक नजदीक का रिश्तेदार रह गया, क्लोज रिलेटिव. भगा लो उसको. कैसे? यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, अपोजिट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, यस, डिवीजन. सो डिवाइड बोथ साइड्स बाय 10. So therefore 10p upon 10 is equal to 90 upon 10. 10 ones are 10. देखो अकेला p रह गया, right? And here 1 0 gets cancelled. 0 0 gets cancelled, or 10 ones are 10, 10 nines are 90. Any way you can do it. So p is equal to 9. Therefore p is equal to 9 is the solution of equation. Okay, now let's go for another example. So next I can solve is E. 3p upon 4, that is equal to 6. Okay, question 4E. So 3p upon 4 equals to 6. Okay, तो दोनों ही नजदीक के रिश्तेदार है, right? Close relatives. So first you can choose any one. So last time I have taken division first, right? Now this time I will take multiplication. Let us see what happens. So here I will first remove this 3. It is in multiplication. Opposite of multiplication, yes, division. So divide both sides by. Divide both sides by 3. So 3p upon 4 into 1 upon 3. Okay, or if you don't understand, I'll just write it like this. See here. 3p upon 4 into 3, that is equal to 6 upon 3. So divide both sides by 3. I believe you understand. Okay. So 3 ones are 3. And here 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay. So therefore P upon 4, don't forget that 4 is equal to 2. अभी इसको भगाना है कैसे? Here it is division. Opposite of division, yes, multiplication. So multiply both sides by, oh yes, 4. So P upon 4 into 4, that is equal to 2 into 4. 4 ones are 4. So therefore P is equal to 8. So solution of equation is P is equal to 8. You can put it there. 3 into 8, 24. And 24 divided by 4, 6. Right? So answer is correct. Okay. Now, let us go for next example. Now next is G. 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. Now right hand side is 0 here. Now see, first we will remove this 12. So plus 12, opposite of plus, yes, minus. So that means I am going to subtract. So subtract 12 from both sides. Right? So therefore 3s plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 minus 12. So plus 12 minus 12 cancel. So therefore 3s is equal to 0 minus 12 is minus 12. Difference in sign. Go for subtraction. Give the sign of bigger number. So 12 minus 0, 12. Difference in sign. So we have done subtraction. Give the sign of bigger number 12. Sign it has got minus. So here minus. Right? So now divide both sides by 3. Okay? So divide both sides by 3. So therefore 3s upon 3, that is equal to minus 12 upon 3. ओके तो देखिए यहाँ पे s रह गया, यहाँ पे 3 1 जा 3 4 जा, so minus 4. Okay, so s is equal to minus 4. Therefore s is equal to minus 4 is the solution of equation. Okay, I feel you have understood. Now let's go for one more example. So next I can take is L. 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. L. 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. Okay. Now here. So पहले हमें किसको भगाना है? दूर के रिश्तेदार को. Okay. So plus 6. What we will do? Yes. Subtract 6 from both sides. Subtract 6 from both sides. Okay. So 2q plus 6 minus 6, that is equal to 12 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 cancelled. So therefore 2q is equal to 12 minus 6. 6. Difference in them, go for subtraction. Give the number a bigger number. Bigger number is 12. Sign it as what? Plus. So plus 6. Regular subtraction. Okay. Now, here the sign is multiplication. Opposite of multiplication, exactly. Division. So divide both sides by 2. Right? So 2 cube upon 2, that is equal to 6 upon 2. Okay. So 2 1 2. यहाँ पे 2 1 2 3 6. So therefore Q is equal to 3. Right? Therefore Q is equal to 3 is the solution of equation. Right? So dear students, try to solve the remaining examples of exercise 4.2. Question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. Try to follow the steps that I have suggested. Don't try to skip them. You may feel that we are masters. Even 10th standard students, they make mistakes in some cases. So let us be first perfect. And then if you feel you are masters, then you can do that. But then too, I will always suggest, use the steps. That is most important. Okay? And practice makes man perfect. So solve the remaining examples. Okay? So today we'll stop here. We'll meet in the next period. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.